hatujaitisha sadaka. Lakini nasema kanisa is a business. Where did you see church as a business? Yani anataka paka mtoke mahali ambapo mnaomba, mkae nyumbani ndo mshikwa mateka kabisa. Goma isio, nyawisi, gavia isi.
For God so loved the world, he gave his only begotten son, that whoever believes in him should not perish, but have everlasting life. Happy New Year. In John 3:16. Real tiga kuthomithio wina tha gutire wathogeroka kuma iguru mukoro tigara bori rotene nigo Kristo ratigire uga otire watho mweru kite okoima iguru mukwirwo tiga uria mwerirwo tene mutie Ngai wanyu mwirute kwihoera mutware sadaka cianyu cia ngoro cianyu hehenjeku kuri Ngai ndugatwarire muhunjia mwanako akuhakire maguta ukuhakire maguta maorogi na maumaraya mwaka mweru muthina mbere na kwira andu ni mwaka ungi mweru wandu gwitwara mbere ya Ngai wandu gwitwara mbere ya Ngai. There's no mediator between man and God. Nugo mandiko maratwira koguo mwaka uyu mweru ndugetikire kuigirirwo moko ni mundu ndugetikire kuhenio minjirio maguta ndugetikire kuminjirio mai ndugetikire kunywa cumbi ndugetikire gwika ona atia ni muyoneire uguo ru nenjiririe kwandika threat ni undu wa andu aria ati maramukirira maraiganire kagamira kofeki na hindi kuma nacio njicirethithio ndu mwe ciothe na arora crutches ciothe ri ihanaine ni njeru iraguritwo handu hamwe kacio nje ciothe ikoragwo na crutches ihanaine